this cat that I had to take home because somebody dropped it off.
What are you doing? Off. No. Reverse. Reverse. Couché.
Trying to bite a swimming pool is peak Malinois logic.
You can be sure to wish you that same fate to make us no problem. I'll take a lot of pride in being a
Cat software successfully installed on a deer. Deer unlocked meow personality.
I had a couple Red Bulls. You ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull.
Maligator.exe has stopped working due to excessive affection. The piglet thought about me time, but the puppy said, cuddle the clock. She's 100% recharging Chaos batteries.
Just trying to go to the bathroom. Stop it, man. I need that.
She's just stocking up for the next quarantine.
Get out of here.
Someone tell Officer Nay that those aren't giant orange carrots. Someone might be confused about the mirror test, yet they find scenes like this absolutely fascinating. They said the perfect distraction technique didn't exist. She's so sleepy, but her natural feline vigilance just won't allow her to actually sleep.
Un animal silvestre que se encontraba cruzando la vía, pudiendo ser atropellado por vehículos.
Want it? Do you want cheese? You want broccoli?
Nope.
Broccoli.
Nope.
a cage? No.
No. I think Kiki's just gonna hold him in the cage car.
He's so cute.
Kiss, on travaille? Oui bébé, on travaille.
Here we go. Take a bite of it.
I'm trying to be nice.
Give me, 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 give me.
The sloth's like, hey, I was halfway through my 3-day commute. Put me back. All dads indeed go from the no dog to personal flight instructor. Receiving a 5G signal from a treat bag opened 3 neighborhoods away. Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. Get ready to laugh as we watch animals catching humans by surprise. When you're this cool, gravity is just a suggestion.
Just do it mitt and done.
Look at this, folks. I assume the water is losing, clearly. Take notes, guys. This is the only thing a alligator bites gently.
Oh, he's biting me.
Man, how can you turn Forest Puppy into a puddle of mush? Because the earthy vibe is trending this year.
You ready to go get Dad?
Sir, excuse me, sir. Boop. Thank you. Hello, sir. I just need a favor, real quick. Boop. Thank you. Hello, yes, sir. Boop. Thank you.
Oh, God! Stop!
School of Professional Chomp teacher isn't going easy on the tuition. What my dog does when I'm doing all the chores. The local tax collectors have arrived. You owe them 3 fish per hour.
When they said think outside the box, but you're a husky and the box is literally a fence.
Benji, why you went out?
Yes.
People say training is hard.
Hit it.
All right, let's see those pearly whites.
I'm a piranha. They're in the Amazon.
And a
I bet the raccoon definitely watched Mission Impossible before this.
I get it. Yep.
Sir, you're being evicted for excessive jumping around our house.
Nope. That may be a little.
Huh?
Nine.
Hey, you enjoying the parrot, officer? You might as well recruit them, put them on your shoulder and that. Yeah, PC dep.
Every step is a calculated tactical maneuver.
You okay, Jeremy?
They jump. They really jump.
I bet this one's about to lead a very tiny, very adorable revolution. This pup's training for the Canine Cirque du Soleil.
Here you go, big guy.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Trying to rock the just woke up look, but ending up channeling a hyena.
Mom, it's so hot out. Don't leave dogs in the hot cars. Mom, I'm gonna die. The sun. Mom!
Buddy.
What?
I'm here too. The AC's on.
Love these pups? Like and subscribe for more. See you soon.
Sit. Stay. Stay. Stay, guys. Here. Here.
Action movies than others.
Watch that one flap on the side.
Alright, hold 13, check a bottle.
Pigeons in hats, because why not add a little flair to your daily stroll? Oh well, Tony Hawk is a serious competitor. These dogs are high-drive working breeds. They move so they exist. When the suspect's top speed is 45 miles per hour and they don't have a license plate,
Push him! Push him! Push him! Kill him, lad!
啥狗？
我累了。哎呦我操
who needs a chaise lounge when you have a gentle giant?
Years ago, I'm not an arsehole right now. I've not changed. You are. Your mood swung. The candle must turn. And now you're not in a bad mood, you're in a good mood.
First the door handler, then your car key. He's running away.
Thank you, Audra.
Watch your head.
You got this. Oh, yeah. Man, he is not happy. He is not happy. Looks like he's singing.
Okay, you ready? Okay.
Wait, what is... Huh?
Turkey. Turkey.
Quack, quack.
This is what happens when a Belgian dog gets 1% bored.
Spin. No. Maverick. Hey. Hey.
I love you.
When your personal trainer is a Ford Explorer with a siren. Legend has it, he's still running to this day.
Border Collie on a mission. Secure the item before human reconsiders.
Proof that some dogs clearly watched more
If the human gets it, the dog gets it too.
He's already got the post-goal celebration down better than the pros. Fighting the urge for that sausage is the toughest mission he's ever had.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No, he's
Can I
sleeping.
pet that dog?
Come here, yeah, let's go for a ride.
You're one bad mamma jamma.
Turkeys are known to escort slow-moving vehicles out of their territory.
It's contemplating it.
Just a pup living the whale of a life. So cute.
So there goes the water bill. And don't ever make a drink and walk away.
My Belgian pup's got his socks on, ready for a mission.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Congrats, pup. You've just been quietly added to this furball's list of potential threats.
Okay, Bowie.
My entire life aesthetic on a Sunday afternoon.
¿De esos dientes de porcelana?
Ay, soy piraña. Están en el Amazonas.
Welcome to where fur meets funny. Get ready for a wild ride through the sassiest Chihuahua meltdowns ever caught on camera.
Oh my god!
Funny tornado. Come on over here.
Despracar Campo Verde ya en estos momentos.
What's going on? Looks like she's officially been claimed by the pack.
Out. Sorry. Out. Ah, así. Sorry. Yes. Yes, good boy.
You can't hide anything from Amal. Are you snacking without him? Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, get ready for the most hilarious moments between the police and the animals. Oh well, it really took the entire precinct to catch one piglet. The fact that the teddy bear is next in line is pure comedy gold. Go forth and sin no more, Mr. Bear. Your family is waiting for you.
Bugs. It's okay. One. Good boy.
Let's grow. What?
Sometimes there's people out there that are good people. And you just got to give them the chance and the benefit of the doubt, because they might not be bad people.
No, brave girl.
Yeah. Oh, baby. Oh, good girl.
I feel like she's gonna be a lot like her dad.
Yeah. No. They're worse than the big one.
Trying to catch up, buddy? Hey? Yeah.
That's so sick. No way. That's insane. Let me get a video of that. Yo, surf's up, bruh.
Sassy, run!
Go!
She wants more. Look at her. Release the beast.
Forget a drone. Just attach some propellers to that tail and you'll see.
Little goat guy. Hey, look at this. Look how cool this car is. Get in the car. Yeah.
Don't be surprised when I'm here, because I live here and I pay for this house. And I pay for you to live here, and I pay for Slinky to live here, and I pay for Mummy to live here.
Oh my goodness. Ouch! Nay! Nay. I didn't ask for back talk.
Hey, where do you live?
It's a god alpaca.
The newest member of the K9 unit looks a bit different, but he's got the spirit.
Look at those teeth. Oh, he's actually going to block us. He's all blood right.
What are we doing back here? The turkey?
Yeah!
Goldie thinks the police car is just a new friend following them on a jog. This cutie looks like if a koi fish and an otter had a child. My entire class after I open a bag of snacks.
My time, please. My time. No, you the time.
Suspect was caught red-handed or black-pawed.
43 degrees today, 52 in Lake Ontario. Maybe some outbreaks in the cloud cover, at least this morning, especially Niagara Frontier. Otherwise, spotty showers, most of the hills and near Lake Ontario.
But this one's proving the opposite.
Playing a game of whack? Whack.
With some leftovers. Grabbing all attention while getting groomed at the same time. You're living the absolute best life, Kitty. How to politely ask for a snack, horse edition. Trying to sleep, but this camera is making it awkward.
Hey, what does the cat say? What does the dog say?
Have nothing to do? Talking with the dustpan might be a good idea.
The spirit of a dolphin, but the coordination of a blender, so splashy. She's brave. Those things are basically feathered dinosaurs with a bad attitude.
Wait a minute. If I put my head on this pillow, you can't eat my hair. Oh.
Kawawa. Loco pero.
Proof that size doesn't matter, but attitude is everything.
This kiddo's fluffing up to look threatening, but the opponent doesn't even notice.
This little guy's not running away. He's just coaching the officers on their cardio.
Orange can be sweet rewards like carrots, but can also be a clingy little nuisance, right, Bunny?
Wasn't 100% sold on a police department community outreach animal. Sometimes you just got to stick your neck out. So we really thought this option was head and shoulders above some that we've seen from our neighboring agencies.
Oh my goodness, Rover. You're so cute. Why did you grow up? I just put you down for a nap and now your ears are up.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius.
My name is Jeff.
Trained for the Force, but he wasn't trained for the Orange Cat special.
Police department, search warrant.
The most adorable police escort in history. I hope the officers will get paid more.